My dear students, today we are going to start a new topic, that is element. What is element? Who discovered the element? What is the correct definition of the element? Let's start. What happens actually if you talk about the element? Element is the pure substance. It means element will not mix with any other compound or any other substance. And let me tell you once again that why mixtures and solutions I wrote here as a chapter name, because in this chapter mainly we study about mixtures and solutions, but yes, this is the chapter which is named in your book Is Matter Around Us Pure? Okay. So, is matter around us pure? No. All matter which is around us is not pure. They are some kind of mixtures and they are some kind of solutions. That is why we gave it name mixture and solutions. Okay. My dear student, let me help you to understand the concept of elements. What happens actually? There are so many examples around us which is element and which is pure. Yes, I told you element is pure substance. What is element? Okay. And what is the example around us for elements? See, suppose you check some kind of gold. Suppose you check gold, okay, pure gold. No any impurity, pure, assume pure gold. Now what happens in gold element which has symbol Au. In gold element, what happens actually, you check all the atoms. If you check all the atoms in gold element, then all the atoms are same, symmetrical. I want to tell you such substance, such kind of pure substance, which is made up of only one type of atom known as element. Because if you check the gold atom, means gold element Au, okay, then what you find that all the atoms in Au are same. Then it is pure, it is element. Okay. One more thing, that mixture should not be there, means any one element, means any one matter should be there which must be pure and not mixed with anyone. If I write Na, sodium, it is element, no problem, but if I write NaCl, so NaCl is not element. So purity is must, okay, purity is must. How many elements you means what are the substances you can find here? Sodium and chlorine. So this is a mixture of sodium and chlorine. It means it is not pure. So it is not element. Element means pure substance and which is made up of same type of atoms. First thing. So I should write that point, that it is elements are made up of same atoms or same type of atoms. Okay, first thing. Now, dear student, let me tell you the exact definition of the element now. An element is a pure substance that cannot be broken down by any physical or chemical means into a simpler substance. This is the second property of the element. The first property is element is made up of same atoms. And the second property is element is a pure substance that cannot be broken down by any physical or chemical methods. So, if in the exam, if they ask define the term element, okay, or what do you mean by element, you can write two definition. First thing, such substance or such pure substance which is made up of same type of atoms known as element, or you can write second definition, that an element is a pure substance that cannot be broken into its simpler form. That is called element, or you can write both, you can merge both the definition together, no problem at all. So, yes, I told you the definition of element, and what are the examples of that? So many examples, like as you know that we have 120 elements till now discovered, and of course you know at least 20 names with that, like hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, so many, okay, they are element. Now, what are the elements around us which are means which we use in the daily life, like gold, silver, okay. So, these are the elements which we use as a jewelry, okay. So, these are the elements we use in the daily life, like gold, silver, if you use jewelry, then okay. I told you the term element. Now, let me tell you the next slide about the discovery of element. chemical element was first presented by the English scientist Robert Boyle. Okay. He defined an element as a substance incapable of decomposition. The incapable of decomposition means we cannot break it into further pieces. That is the purest and that is the simplest form. Or in so many books you will find the simplest and purest form of matter is known as element. So many definitions are there about the elements, you can write any one, all are correct only. So now answer me from your side, element is pure or impure? Pure. Element is a pure substance. Who represented first? English scientist Robert Boyle. Okay, and element is a pure substance, not impure. Okay, it is made up of same type of atom or different type of atom? Same type of atoms. Very good. I hope you are understanding what the element is. Tell me that we can break the elements into further pieces? No, we cannot. Element is the simplest form of matter. Okay, we cannot break it. So this is all about the element. Thank you.